Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We have been trying our best to go around the world, bring things together in order for you to be happy, in order for you to see new things. And today we are going to be showing you the beautiful part of nature, the beautiful part of nature. So today I'm going to show you how nature works, certain things you don't know about nature. I'm going to be showing you in this video. Just make sure you follow the video, like, share, and subscribe. Here we go. Let's go.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my call. Next day you hear me back, like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you say to me? Say the way you know.
Can you see that? We have many things in there, and